4.5 part 3 continued again. This time we're going to look at secant of x. Now remember, secant is the reciprocal of cosine. And so like cosecant, we're not actually going to have a new table. We're going to use our table for cosine of x, and then we're going to use our reciprocal. So for cosine of x, remember cosine has a period of 2 pi. So it starts at 0 to 2 pi. Do your intervals, halfway between, and halfway between. Cosine starts at the top and comes down, and then goes back up. Alright, so we're actually going to plot those points. Oops. I miscounted here, so 2 pi should be over here, not right there. Okay, so again, remember that secant is r over x. So anywhere that x is 0 is where we're going to have an asymptote. Well, x is 0 everywhere that cosine was 0 here. So we're going to draw in vertical asymptotes at those points. Alright, now remember, I'll just draw it dashed here, not quite as obvious as before. This was cosine. So you're going to take those little parabolas and you're going to reflect them. So I'm going to start on this middle one. It's a little easier to see. So I'm going to take that little parabola there and reflect it. Now these other ones we have like halves. So I would take this little piece here and do the reciprocal, and this little piece here and do the reciprocal. Now if we want to continue, I would continue to the left, and so we know this would go here. So this would go there and then down. Let me put my points. I think that's easier for us. And then again, we're aware that there's across the 0 as an asymptote. Bottom points go down, top points go up. And so there is a graph of our cosecant, our secant of x. Alright, again, domain. Domain is any value that is not my vertical asymptote. So x cannot equal, find one of them. I see one at pi over 2. And they're occurring at every pi, so pi n. Range, just like cosecant. Secant does not it does keep going up and down, but it has that point there in the middle that it has no values of. So it's going to go from negative infinity to negative 1, and then it jumps up to 1 and goes to positive infinity. And we have our zeros. Again, where we had zeros for the first cosine, became vertical asymptotes. So it doesn't cross the x-axis, so there are none. Our vertical asymptotes, we already said, that's where the domain cannot be. So we know as it x equals pi over 2 plus pi n, where n is an integer. As far as even, odd, and neither, this is a reciprocal of cosine, so it's going to be even, which means it's symmetric to the y-axis. Also means that if we take secant of negative x, we're going to get the very same exact answer as we did for secant of positive x. And then because it is the reciprocal of cosine, its period is 2 pi.